Hi everybody, this is Miss Elder here. I want to talk to you today about your mini research project. This is different from your research paper. The research paper, which is being, how can we do better, that is on pause until Thursday and Friday. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything with that. You can assume that the last thing that we did was the outline part A, and that needs to be done. It's already done for most of you. Thank goodness for you guys being good about your deadlines. But if you haven't done that yet, then you have been given, by the grace of God, a deadline until Thursday or Friday, depending on if you're red day or green day. So this is not related to that, except for using research skills that you might need to complete this project. It is not related to that paper in any way. Okay, this is now diving into Unit 5, The Iliad by Homer. We are going to do a little background. Okay, so for the online kids and basically for everybody but G7 and G8 probably, this is you're going to see this video. Even my in-person kids are going to be seeing this video because I'm going to be out for a portion of the next 2 days on a conference. And I wanted to let you know what I wanted you guys to do. Sorry if I'm a little spacey. It's the end of the day and I'm trying to wrap my head around a bunch of stuff and get ready for this conference. So, okay, when you go to today's module, okay, you will have a sign-up sheet and then you will have a submission document. Click on the sign-up sheet first. Okay, there will be a video there. I'm obviously recording it right now. So you click on the sign-up sheet. That'll take you to this, okay, except it'll say your class period at the top if you're not a member of R2. There will be some names here because everybody should have permission to edit this document. So choose a topic, only one person per topic, okay? You are going to be researching this topic in order to give the class enough background information to know what it's about, okay? So, for example, let's say that I was going to take Ajax. I would type my name here so that it's then saved as mine, okay? And then I would find first I need to decide how I want to do this. You're going to have to record a video, 30 seconds or less, to tell us a little bit about this. So I would have 30 seconds to tell you about Ajax and where I got my information. I'm assuming you guys are going to use Wikipedia, but I would like you to use one other source as well, so you can just pop in and tell us where you got your information. So you look up all kinds of stuff about Ajax, and I understand that during class that you're probably going to start with just a Google of Ajax, which is probably going to come up with soap. Or programming. I didn't even know it was a type of programming. So you're going to have to find the right one, right? Ajax may refer to, whoa, it just went dark in here. The Greek mythological hero, then you have to figure out which one it is, right? There's lots of Ajaxes. So, there we go. So you're going to Google, you'll start with Wikipedia, and then you'll go from there. If nobody's ever told you this before, Wikipedia usually has references, some of which have links. So you can go there as well to try to find other things if you need to. Sometimes that's helpful, sometimes it's not. So you're going to research, you're going to create a little mini presentation. Okay, now you can do that with the help of a visual aid, like maybe you're going to create a PowerPoint. This is the PowerPoint where you're going to submit your document, but let's say that you want to create your own PowerPoint to take the video with. You can use, and I put this in the Canvas here, you can use Screencastify or Screencast-O-Matic. Those are two options for you for recording video on the computer. With having a screen as well, like a webcam sort of, what am I trying to say? A screen capture like I do with you guys, where there's a video right here, and then there's the screen here. It also gives you several other options, like having the video be the main portion, or having just the screen be the main portion, or a picture-in-picture like this. That's Screencast-O-Matic that I use. Screencastify is another one that people use a lot. You don't have to use either of those, okay? You can go and get on your phone in selfie mode, okay? And you can just turn the camera around and be like, all right, so this is what you need to know about Ajax. That's fine. Your grade will depend on effort to some degree, but I'm not looking for like quality video recording proficiency per se, okay? So like I said, you can either record a screen with a voiceover, you could record a screen with a video, or you could record just a video. Okay, but I need to have some sort of aspect of you on it, whether it's your face or just your voice. Okay. Let's see, what else do you need to know? Okay, so when you submit, you're going to click on your class period here, and that's going to take you to this presentation. It was Greek to me, okay? And then each one has a number next to it where I want you to go ahead and input your video. So like if you chose topic number 1, which was the time period, here's what I'm getting at, what I'm looking for. You would go in here and you would paste your video right here, okay? So, for example, let's see if I can drag and drop mine. No, it didn't want to work that way. That's okay. I'll find another way of doing that. So you might go and save. This is Ms. Teague's video, actually, but whoops. I'm going to want to, you know what? I should have thought of this ahead of time. Whoops. Okay, how would be the best way to get her video? I was going to save it and then upload it that way, but I don't know. I would be, okay, so let me give you my advice. That's Ms. Teague's video, like I said, not mine. I would probably do it on my phone. This is probably the old adult way of doing it, but I would probably record it on my phone if I didn't use Screencast-O-Matic like I usually do. The Screencast-O-Matic helps me upload to YouTube, which makes it easy, and you could always just upload a link if you know how to upload to YouTube. That would be fine. Links are fine. Instead of an embedded video, that's no big deal. So you would paste your link here. Also, you could try using Flipgrid, I suppose, if you want to, but I don't know how well Flipgrid links to other documents. But anyway, no matter how you do it, you will find yours on here. Now notice these, okay, these are all on the same slide. So if you had 3, 4, or 5, you would probably want to go ahead and create yourself another slide to put your video in, okay, or just link it right next to it. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If you can't link it right next to, then just make yourself a new slide and title it, okay? All right. And then this will be our main resource for background information, and I will upload the final one to Canvas when we're all done, so you guys have good background information. And I will, of course, go over this information as well. Okay, email me if you have questions about what you need to do, because I'm not sure if I'm anticipating your questions well enough. For how this is going to go down. So the basic gist of it is you pick a topic, you research it, you present it, you upload your video or your link to the PowerPoint. Okay? All right, guys. Have a good one.